very much about securing the apprenticeship opportunities for our unemployed customers, so that we can support them, we can work with them, look at their needs, and how we can bring all that together really.
I really love the practical approach to learning, because I'm a very visual learner, and I'm also with my hands type of learner, so and I enjoyed learning more about hospitality because I didn't really know much about it.
I've personally found the course amazing. The best I've ever experienced in my life.
It's been good, interesting, yeah.
Found it very enjoyable. Again, it's very good to come in every day, make friends, speak to new people.
It's made me think about my career in a way and how I want to progress.
I feel proud of myself by just give it a go. There's nothing to worry about, doing that experience. It really changed my life forever.
I enjoyed the enthusiastic and practical approach to learning, because I was able to take in all the information both through the theory and the practical side.
I've personally before been neglected in a classroom environment, and I can feel I can actually thrive in this type of environment and who's with me.
Self-reflection, say, oh, let's go for it, you never take risk in life. And this is how it brings me to this place, and since then I just really enjoyed it.
I think the high point for me is certainly the engagement with the candidates. It was just mind-blowing for me, really.
Because before I felt like I was in a very dead-end kind of situation. But here I feel like when I've come to here at Accelerate, it kind of gives me some hope for my future.
It doesn't matter what your educational background is, as long as you have a dream, this is the right place to be.